Hello everyone, my name is Vedant. So I like to make small AI tools using Claude or ChatGPT, but copy and pasting the code from Chat to the VS Code or any other IDE is very challenging. And sometimes what happens is it mess up the alignment or indentation. So when I am not familiar with coding, I have no experience, so that messing up the indentation ruins the entire software or tool for me, and it I find it very difficult and challenging to fix it. So there is an solution for it, and that is if you code directly in the VS Code. So AI and LLM, they will not only be writing the code, they will also be arranging everything. And for that, I have found out this. But then again, the cloud have a limit. So and the cloud code is actually very expensive. So I find out this software or Chinese LLM, which is Z.ai. So what it does is it gives you an API which is super cheap. It's nearly $3 a month if you like to try it, and it's for 3 months you can get it in $9, and there is a 50% off that is going on, so it's amazing. But I do not recommend to take the yearly plan because LLM and AI space is changing very fast. So in a year there will be much cheaper plans, most probably. So this $9 quarter plan is absolutely good. So I have taken it, and then you have to do is you have to take your API key that you will find it here. So here is my API key. Then you can copy it and open your VS Code. In the VS Code, you will find us the C-line extension. In the C-line extension, you have to install it. I have already installed it, so we will see it here. Once you see the C-line extension, you can add your API key like this. Uh, you have to pick a API provider. So pick OpenAI compatible, then add the base URL, which is api.z.ai API coding, and then add your API key. And you have to pick the model ID, which is GLM 4.6. It is the latest from the ZAI, and it is very good. It is nearly comparatively to the cloud. In some of the images I have seen the benchmarking, and I have seen that it is nearly close to it. So it is good enough for you, and I guess it is good enough for the price they are giving us. And yeah, let's try if it can build anything. So I want to build this very simple uh, game where a person can arrange the book titles in a order of the series, and if that happens, the person wins. So I will be giving everything to the line. So let's go to the plane phase first. So it is easy to see the plane, and then it can do the coding thing. So I will be doing that. So I will add the prompt here. So I do not have any organized prompt or any prompt that I have written by thinking. So I will be adding whatever comes to my mind. So this is my prompt which I just wrote, and let's see what does this give us back. So now it is running. Not, yeah, it is running. So I guess the API request has been sent and the response is here, and it is creating everything. User arrange the book titles in correct order. When correct, conflict implies win and progress. And then book series with at least 3 books each, at least 6 different series, book titles trackable, and yeah, everything we added is here, and it has given us the Harry Potter series, Hunger Games series, Percy Jackson series, Divergent will okay, and it has told us all the thing he is going to do, and yeah, it seems good. So let's make it do it. So if we click on the act, it will start adding everything. So now the program is sending the instruction to the ZLM 4.6 from the ZAI, and ZAI is returning the code. And here we can see the code has started to be written on our VS Code. So this is what I'm talking about. I was copy pasting the code from the Claude Code and ChatGPT and DeepSeek, and so many different LLMs to the VS Code. Uh, but using this, I can directly do it in the VS Code, and it seems good if it works. So let's see if it works or not. So right now it is working and we are seeing it. Let's wait. Here we can see the checklist it has created for itself, and it will be checking out all the thing that has to be done. So it is also a good way to track what is happening. And here we can see the, I guess it is the context, yeah, context size. So with ZLM model, you get 128K context size, and 19.9K is already used. So it is a tracker. And by context, I mean the context size tells you how much memory it can retain. I guess I don't have an exact idea what it is, but I guess it is the value or memory it can actually remember. If you I said something now, so how long or how much things it can remember, because one of the problem with AI and ChatGPT is it cannot remember the last conversation. So right now it is keeping it all safe somewhere, but the context is only 128K. But let's see, it seems to be building. So it's the last thing that is going on is responsive design, which is important part, which I have not actually added into the prompt, but yeah, it has taken it as well. Responsive design is important because so many times people play quizzes and games on their mobile phone. So it has to be a responsive. I guess everything has been done. So let's see what is happening here. I guess it is the, yeah, it is actually running some kind of test on it. Okay, so it is not only making the game, but it is also testing it by running it. So here our game, start the game. Okay, now I have to drag it in a correct order. The first one is I put in the chamber of secrets. Second is, first is soldier's stone. Okay, this is not actually quite good. Soldier's stone is there, and second is chambers of secret. Third is prisoner of Azkaban. Fourth is, okay. See, it is not working, I guess. Yeah, Goblet of Fire is fourth one. Fifth one is Order of Phoenix. Then there's Half-Blood Prince. I think it is fine. So yeah, check order. Perfect. So everything seems to work, but the thing is the sliding animation is not smooth. So we will tell him to make it better, make the sliding animation in function mode. It is 11 and not 13. So finally, yeah, it is enough for now. So let's see if it will work on this prompt or not. So yeah, it seems to make some changes. In meanwhile, we can check the directory. Let it be. Yeah, I have not saved it yet, so there is no file. So all these things I am still figuring out. So it has loaded again now. Just start now. Now see if it is working nicely or not. Okay. Yeah, it's better from before. Perfect. It is not perfect, but it is better than before. So that's what I want to share. That using this, using Z.ai $3 plan, you can do a lot of things directly in the VS Code. So yeah, that's it.